How to log in into Auswide Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Auswide Bank online banking account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official page of Auswide Bank, auswidebank.com.au. Once you are on the Auswide Bank homepage, look for the online banking login button at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the login page, you'll need to enter your client number and your password. Type in your client number in the first box and your password in the second. Finally, click on the login button to access your account. And that's it. Now you are logged in into your Auswide online banking account. Now you can view your transaction, do the transaction, and manage your account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.